Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to perform sentiment analysis using NLTK. Now, NLTK has built-in pre-trained sentiment analyzer known as vader. We are going to use this model to test the sentiment of different statements. I'm using Google Colab for this demo. So let's import NLTK, import NLTK, execute this. Next, we need to download the package for vader. So nltk.download. Package name is vader lexicon. Execute this line. And you can see this has been downloaded. Now we need to import sentiment analyzer from nltk.sentiment.vader. Import sentiment intensity analyzer. Now we are going to create one sentiment analyzer object. I'll call it analyzer. It's going to copy this one. Execute this code. Now we are going to use this object. So let me copy this and I will call polarity score, polarity scores, and over here we can pass a statement. So thanks for watching, and if I will execute this code, you can see we got the score for negative, neutral, positive, and compound. So this score will vary from -1 to 1, and though it's giving this score for each of these statement for negative, neutral, and positive, but we are going to focus on the compound result. And if this number is positive, that means statement is a positive. If this score is negative, that means it's a negative statement. And let's do one thing. If I will add exclamation mark at last, let's see if it will increase its score or not. Execute this code. You can see it's increasing with this exclamation mark. Okay, now let's test with some negative statement. We'll say not great. This is a negative statement, and you can see this compound value is negative. So thanks for watching.